The Jamat in Canada is truly fortunate to receive the glad tidings that their beloved spiritual leader, His Highness Shah Rahim al-Hussaini, will once again grace the country with his presence. This visit is not merely official in nature, but a deeply meaningful and spiritual occasion for the Jamat, bringing guidance, unity, and renewed inspiration. At the invitation of Prime Minister Mark Carney, our beloved Imam will undertake an official visit to Canada from 25th to 31st March, 2026. During this visit, he will meet with members of the Jamat residing in Ontario, Quebec, and the Maritime Provinces. The announcement was conveyed through a Talika Mubarak that was read in Jamatkhanas around the world. In the Talika, beloved Imam also expressed his intention to return to Canada in the near future to meet with the Jamat living in Western Canada. In order to give his full attention to the Jamat in Ontario, Quebec, and the Maritimes during this visit, Mawlana Hazar Imam has requested that members of the Jamat from other parts of Canada, as well as from other countries, refrain from traveling to these provinces during that time. This forthcoming visit is expected to be a historic and spiritually uplifting occasion for the Jamat in Canada, strengthening bonds and renewing the sense of unity and guidance within the community.
We are so thankful for your love, Mawla.
We are so thankful for your love, Mawla.
We are so thankful for your love, Mawla.